Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning some interesting functions like the onmouseover function. So basically in JavaScript there is a function which is called as onmouseover function, which basically allows you to perform some action when the user's mouse is over some text or is over some area. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is that we are going to write a set of colors onto the HTML page, and then finally when the user hovers over to the color, the background of the document of the HTML document changes to that particular color. So this is going to be a simple and basic tutorial, and you could apply this method in order to create more interesting websites. So for example, if the user hovers over to some text on your website, the background color or any other color changes. So let's start with the tutorial. So basically you need to go into your body tag, and here let's say you want to create a link by using the a. So we type a href and specify the link which you want to specify over here. So in this case I'm going to leave it blank, so I give a slash over here. And then the next thing which you want to do is that you want to use the onmouseover function in order to perform the desired action. So we type onmouseover, then we give the equal to sign, and within the double quotes we specify the action which we want to perform. So for example, let's say when the user hovers onto this link right here, we want to change the background color to red. So in order to do that we type document dot bg color and we equate it to red. So make sure that you type red or the color name in single quotes, and once this is done we go ahead and close the tag by typing slash a, and within these two tags we type the color name, so we type red, and then finally give a line break at the end, so we type slash br over here. So now once this is done we simply save the code and we execute it on the browser. So as you could see, this is our browser, and the normal color of the background is white, which is the default color, but when I hover my mouse onto this red, the background changes to red. And now once I remove the mouse from here, the color remains to be red. Now one more thing which you could do with this is that you simply go into your main code and you simply copy the text right over here, which is for changing color to red. Now we paste it multiple times, and what we are going to do is that we are going to change these colors. So let's say the next color which we want is blue, so replace this by blue and this by blue, and let's say the other color which we want is pink, so we change this red to pink, and let's say the final color is yellow, so we type yellow here and yellow here. So now once we are done with this, we save the code, minimize it, and if we refresh this page, so when we refresh it, the basic color or the default color which we are going to get is going to be white, and when you hover over to the red, you are going to get the background color as red. Now when we come down here to blue, our color has turned into blue. When we come down here, we get the background color as pink, and finally when we come down to yellow, we get the background color as yellow. So that is a cool trick which you could perform with JavaScript. So basically we use the inbuilt function which is onmouseover in order to perform some action when your mouse hovers over to some text. So you could apply this while designing your website. So for example, if a user hovers over to some of the text area or some of the fields, you could perform a change in some other entity such as the background color or the text color. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.